some more. Here we go. Good luck, Bryce. Bryce, baby. We'll do a box of 2016 Top Star Wars Chrome, The Force Awakens. Bryce, baby. You might have not heard, but I think I came to an agreement with everybody that if they pulled a Daisy Ridley, they have to buy the rest of the case. Nah, no 12-13 signatures. That stuff, all that 12-13 stuff has gone super high in price. I usually do 13-14, but I haven't picked up anything lately. I don't know, you tell me. Does it? 12-13? Yeah, good rookies in 12-13. I've done 0? Oh man. So he wins it and now he has to give it up? Man, that's crazy. Like I said, I did read about the Dudley Boys retiring tonight though, which sucks because they could not beat the record. They're tied for the record and they kept pushing the Bootio guys over them. Sucks. Alright, here we go. Good luck, Bryce. Box number 1. Inserts, refractor, regular, General Light, Organa. BB-8. We got a print plate, 1 of 1. Finn draws the lightsaber. 1 of 1 print plate. Snap Wexley. Han Solo. General Hux. Chewbacca. Major Brands. Vendul's Kylo Ren. I think so, yeah. Admiral Akbar. And we're going to get one of those boxes that has no refractors, watch. Ray. Or no numbered refractors. Lupita. Oh wait, we got one. Yep, we got one right here. General Hux Grand Speech. 55 of 99. Hava. Supreme Leader Snoke. PZ4. And we only got one numbered card in them. And that was the box. So this box had the General Hux Grand Speech, and the Finn draws the lightsaber. What's up, E-Daz? Those are your 2 hits, or your 2 cards from that box. P-Daz, 1 through 11. He's gonna go 7, I bet you. 10. Oh, that's right. Pete has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forgot it was 10. Thought it was 7. Here we go. Good luck, senor. Good luck, Bryce. Oh yeah, Ivan, I met Pitas in person. After knowing him for like 20 years, I finally met him in person. One year. I've got in the game used hockey if you want, and also got champs hockey, and I've got contenders hockey, and the vault. Vault, champs, in the game used, and contenders. Yeah, there's no you have the not the there's not patches in this one. There's the medallions in this one. There are medallions. Yeah, I hope I never meet Tony too. I would do that. We're walking, and then be like, "You remember this?" Look him in the back, kick him in the foot. Tortured by Kylo Ren. (41 of 50). General Leia Organa. Number. Ray. Ray on the run. You got Ray and then Ray on the run. Snap Wexley. Pava. Ray and Finn rescued. Chewbacca. Neenum. Akbar, Maz's Castle, BB-8, the Resistance, and nope, I thought that was gonna be something right there. Tito Jackson. This is the second time we see Tito. There's David Accord. Saw him come out yesterday too. We actually pulled 2 David Accords autographed yesterday's case. It was 2 different characters, though. Tito Jackson. Admiral Statura. Han Solo. Supreme Leader Snoke. General Hux. PZ4CO. And only 1 numbered card again, Major Brands. So this one had the Tito Jackson and the Tortured by Kylo Ren. Those are the 2, your autograph and your number card. Thank you, Bryce.